Catchy.
Oh, I'm a ticker too.
Hi. Are you looking for something? You want to try some venison? Is that good? You like it?
Collection of meows.
Oh. Wow, that's loud. Thanks.
Okay, Katie.
Zeus.
Zeus.
Oh.
What is happening? There's literally nothing happening. Come on. Hi. Quick.
Bilang ko to palman sa dumame, bikin salad.
Jerry. Jerry. Jerry.
People want to hear what your meow sounds like. Should we show them?
You hungry? It's still warming up. It's almost ready. Do you want something to eat? Yeah? You want a snack? Okay. Table for one? Makita, this way. Hi. How is my big scary panther? I heard you already ate dinner. What? You think I'm lying? Hi. Are you looking for something? Happy Monday. Do you want me to stay home? Thank you for your patience. Can you give me your biggest panther roar? Wow, okay, that was pretty good. Yeah.
Meow.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite Stuffy? Do you have a little kitty?
What does it mean when cats leave food like this? If we found the food bowl like this after our cats finish eating, it means that they are having whisker fatigue. Their whiskers are overstimulated from being touched too much. In this case, it is because their whiskers brush against food bowl while they're eating. Change their food bowl to a small plate, and our cats can enjoy their eating much more.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could give the gift of comfort, companionship, and joy to your aging loved ones? With realistic fur, purrs, and meows, Hasbro's Joy for All companion pets deliver a soothing, joyful experience that inspires smiles, laughter, and fond memories.
It's so relaxing. It does, it just relaxes you completely.
Watch as Gary is first introduced to the companion pet. A connection is made. You see it right before your eyes.
I think so too.
Give the gift of joy and comfort with Joy for All companion pets.